Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bowling with a spotlight on the Hammer Purple Pearl bowling ball. Now, if you're a bowling enthusiast or someone looking to up their game, stick around because this might just be the ball for you. Let's break down what makes the Hammer Purple Pearl stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk design. As the name suggests, this ball sports a striking purple color that's sure to turn heads at the alley. But it's not just about looks, it's about performance too. The Hammer Purple Pearl features a urethane pearl coverstock coupled with a LED core design. This combination offers incredible control over the length of the lane, especially on light to medium oil conditions. Whether you're looking to finesse your shots or create some serious hook action, this ball delivers. Plus, with its modified light bulb core, you can expect consistent performance shot after shot. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Hammer Purple Pearl is crafted with precision, boasting a polyurethane construction that's built to last. And with a weight of 15 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between power and control. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Hammer Purple Pearl, praising its performance and reliability on the lanes. From seasoned pros to casual bowlers, this ball has won over hearts and minds alike. So, what are the benefits of adding the Hammer Purple Pearl to your arsenal? Well, for starters, it offers unparalleled control and versatility, allowing you to adapt to a variety of lane conditions with ease. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance bowling ball that doesn't compromise on style or substance, look no further than the Hammer Purple Pearl. With its advanced features and proven track record, it's sure to take your game to the next level. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of your favorite products. Until next time, happy bowling!